Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today I'm going to be doing a much needed bedroom clean. This is my bedroom. I do co-sleep with my youngest son Nasir, so this is what we currently have. My room is always the catch-all and it's always a disaster even if the whole house is clean. So I'm going to start with making my bed. My sheets are freshly washed, so now I'm just adding them back to the bed. Next up is cleaning off my nightstand, and I'm going to be dusting as well. The top of my dresser is always a mess. I try to keep a lot of stuff up there so Nasir won't be able to reach, like cans and bottles and just some stuff that I do not want him making a mess with. I'm always backed up with laundry, but I am not going to tackle it in this video. I'm actually just going to put it back in the basket and fold it another day. This is probably why I'm always so behind, is if I don't fold it and put it away directly out of the dryer, it's not going to get done for a couple of days. Now I'm just going to wipe down this love seat. It is full of fingerprint and sticky stuff and I don't even know what. The next thing that I'm going to do is wipe down an Nasia's dresser and my other nightstand. Now that that's done, I'm moving on to the TV stand. Again, this holds a lot of stuff from his Pampers and his wipes, some of my mail that I need to go through, some drinks. So I'm just gonna wipe this down, and then I'm gonna move on to dusting the TV, wiping down the windows, and cleaning the mirror.
I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning right there in your eyes. So when you got
Now I'm going to make Nasia's toddler bed. I absolutely hate making this bed. I don't know why, but any kind of sheets that I get, it's always a struggle trying to put them on, and then it fits snug into the bed frame, so I have to take the whole mattress out. It's just a complete mess.
How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this could be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over you. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning,
since me and Nasir do co-sleep and we share the same room, I try to exhaust all storage that we can. So I store extra Pampers under his bed. I also store bottles and the TV stand because he still wakes up at night, and instead of me having to go all the way to the kitchen, I can just go to the TV stand and grab him a bottle and he'll go to sleep much faster.
I don't wanna see you while you fall apart. Even though you told me to get back your heart, I still spin inside your orbit. Yeah. You say that I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. It's my luck, put me away. You understand? There's nothing left to say. Pull me back, take my hand, come on, name. You understand? I wanna stay, 'cause I don't wanna walk away.
After I vacuum, I'm going to be taking a room spray. I got this from Walmart. It is lavender and vanilla, and I absolutely love this smell. I wish I can find the candle for it, but I like to spray the curtains and the bottom of my bed and sometimes the floor. And that is it. Here is the finished product. Oh, I can breathe and sleep in a clean room for once. Appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.
Take it back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit. I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you stop and make me have to stay, 'cause I'm floating in your orbit.